Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free!
To change the EGR valve, you will need, in addition to the tools for taking apart the valve, a liquid collector, a large screwdriver, a toothbrush, a specific cleaner, as well as a cleaner injector to finish the operation. You will find all the products you will need for the operation in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. There are myriad of symptoms and breakdowns linked to the EGR valve clogging up. You should therefore regularly clean it out. To be able to access the EGR valve, you must first remove the engine cover. You should now be able to see the EGR valve, which is in the upper left of the engine compartment. Disconnect the air inlet duct. To do this, take the metallic tab on the pin with a pair of pliers, then lever it off using a flathead screwdriver. You can now remove the duct. Then remove the solenoid valve using a 5mm Allen key to take off the 3 holding screws. Once removed, disconnect it with a small flathead screwdriver. You now have access to the EGR valve. Start by removing the duct from the valve control. Now, in order to access the holding screws on the valve, you have to remove the 2 holding screws on the air inlet duct using a Torx T27 key. Once this has been achieved, move the duct itself. With a 6mm Allen key, unscrew the 2 screws on the duct located under the EGR valve. Then, with a 5mm Allen key, remove the last 2 screws that hold the valve in place. Once the valve has been removed, you will see that the duct has been significantly clogged up. Try and remove as much of this dirt as possible. Clean the valve. Start by removing most of the dirt with a small screwdriver. Completely cleaning the EGR valve takes a lot of time.
Hello! If this video helped you, like and subscribe.
We recommend using a specific product that enables you to clean the valve more quickly and in greater depth. Generously spray the inside of the valve. Don't hesitate to use a toothbrush. Alternate between brushing and applying the product to get a clean EGR valve. You can now reassemble the EGR valve. Put back the 2 screws that hold the valve in place. Return the air inlet duct to its place and screw it in. Screw the duct that is located under the valve back in. Reconnect the solenoid valve and then screw the 3 holding screws back on. reconnect the control hose back onto the EGR valve. Finish by putting the air inlet duct back in place, then lock it in place using its pin. Put the engine cover back on. To complete the operation, take advantage of the opportunity to clean your injection system by directly pouring injector cleaner into your reservoir, which will help avoid numerous problems linked to injection and will guarantee an optimal engine ignition. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.